He is slick and miraculous. White bitch with me get paid off for traveling. Ballers in here, we shooting, not traveling. Coming here tripping, get burned like a candle. I'm him.
What's up with y'all? We are back at the touch, baby. It may look gloomy, but I promise you, it's a beautiful day outside today. For me, I don't know about nobody else, nigga, but for your boy, hey, it's a great motherfucking day, I promise. Yeah, y'all seen I delivered the goddamn, the little Regency truck. What else? Yeah, well, that's it in the 300. But that was last video. If you, like I said, if you watched the whole goddamn video, you know what I'm saying, your boy's picking up something else. You feel me? I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute. But yeah, so I went and scooped that up. Today, one of the Jeep people dropped off their hood and grill to paint black, gloss black and shit. I ain't never seen this for no Jeep. I didn't know y'all was doing this. I mean, for like Trackhawks and shit like that, for like the Supercharger. I didn't know y'all doing this to like regular Jeeps, like Wranglers. You know what I'm saying? So that's cool. I want one of these for like the car I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, you know, so I didn't know that they did like the hood cutouts like this for like regular Jeeps, because it ain't like supercharged. Most people that do this be like supercharged or you know, dress up motor type shit. But yeah, I didn't know that. So anyway, yeah, that's that. And he got this grill. He got this grill on here. So yep. So we're gonna figure that out. I'm gonna sand this down. This is today's project. Yeah, what else? I don't know, I'm in a great mood. I'm sure I'm in a great mood, but yeah, yo, see, we got you know what I'm saying, some new inventory for the touch, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I don't wonder what my pops them gonna say. I had it yesterday, but shit, I took the day off. I said fuck that, I've been getting my ass kicked, so I took the day off. And I don't know my whole pops and them full reaction yet, but we'll see. I mean, it don't matter, it's already here now, so you know what I'm saying, it's bought, nigga, so shit, deal with it. But yeah, so that's here. And yeah, from nigga finna get to work. Like I said, but in a great mood. It's gloomy in the motherfucker. It ain't sunny or nothing, but it's sunny in my eyes, baby. I just gotta work out, you know what I'm saying, a couple little kinks right now, you know, but it's cool. It ain't even no real shit. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and move these parts in the booth, pull this truck out. You know what I'm saying? It's time to get to work, y'all. Cuz talking about with these lights, he wanted to smoke something or do something. I forgot. I don't really know for sure, but I'm gonna sand this shit down. Because said something about having overspray on the shit. Nigga, you done goddamn me rattle can this hoe and it's overspray on it already. Talking about to make sure I don't get no overspray up. Cause you put overspray on it yourself when you put this goddamn AutoZone spray can shit on there. You went and bought Jet Black or something. Now it look like it got a goddamn what's that shit called? The niggas that be spraying on their hairlines and shit. That's what it looked like you just did. So you telling me buy overspray, you already put overspray on it. No, nigga. It's a no, nigga. But I'm gonna get D-Mac come sand this shit down because got the battery for the charger, so it's running. Y'all probably like, damn, my be still there. Because cuz wanna just drive off. So he had got the inspection registration done and I had to put these in. Really, that's it, really. And yeah, that's it. Once I put them in and we get this inspection, I'm gonna take it, go up there to go get detailed because it is still dirty. I mean, you know, it's nice, but it's just dirty. It's just need to be cleaned up for a bro. I can't be sending my customers out like that. And then yeah, it's gonna be good to go. But on another note, You know what I'm saying? Hold on. I gotta walk over here. Darren shit is here. We already did a spray out of his new color, so this is what the fuck. The new color is going on. What type? Well, y'all can't see the color, but I told him go brush wheels. I think brush wheels go good with the color, but his rims already painted, so we're gonna have to figure that part out. Because obviously the color needs some barrels and shit, as y'all can see. But that's that 3-piece life for your ass, though, y'all. So yeah. And while we at it, you know what I'm saying? You see, bro, shit. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Kapow! I got 1 too now, motherfuckers. Yes, sir. Yeah. Tell me this 3SS shit. Yeah, you tell me. Alcantara suede and leather with the sunroof and heated seats and shit. You know what I'm talking about? I ain't cleaned mine out yet, but yeah. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Yeah. My baby. Okay, mine don't got no motor transmission though, so if you know me, you know I like buying my shit broke. Shit. Give me something I could put some money into it. I'm not gonna give you no $15,000 off rip and then want to put another $15,000. No, give me something for about $700-800 and I'll put my own fucking $15,000 and then build it how I want to build it. So that's pretty much what this is. But this ain't gonna be like that. I'm really just trying to find another Gen 4 6062 to just drop in here. And I am gonna change the transmission though, because the transmission that these come with is trash. He already done blew his up. I was with him when he blew it up, so them hoes getting changed anyway, so I might go 4L80 at the least, you know what I'm saying? So 4L80, 6L80, 1 or 2. I'm been chopping up with my partners to see what they come up for me. God damn. And then yeah, but you did, and yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, your boy in the game, baby. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? TBS says you already go in the pages and everything, bitch. But yeah, we gotta paint this nigga shit. This the next one. Y'all gonna like this color though. It's gonna fuck y'all up on me. It fucked me up because I seen it online. I ain't never seen it in person. I seen it in person. I was like, oh, okay, cool. Laid out good too. You know what I'm saying? With no bullshit. But yeah, I'm in the game now, y'all. But yeah. So this nigga shit is next. I gotta take the dually to the muffler shop up here to change like one of them oxygen sensors, or really one of them sensors for the DEF. So you know, that's some shit with this motherfucker. But that should be it though. That should be it. Then we should be good on that. Nigga to change all the goddamn sensors on this motherfucker. So that should be it for this. Mechanical wise, we should be good. Well, I'm here at this muffler shop down the street. Get this sensor fixed. Nigga can't get that hoe off. They beat you on the eye? Oh yeah, see, look right here. Like JD shit would. Oh. But it ain't bad right here, look.
You gotta open and see if he put one on.
I don't think they did. I think, look, cause it's right here. I think that's what pushed it that way, cause right there, cool.
Oh yeah, so that's all.
Yeah, that's why I said it's right here. Whatever gotta get pulled right here. It's the worst part of it. That latch just ain't whatchamacallit.
You just take the bump out.
That's what I'm saying. See right here to pull it. It's just like, remember like JD Tahoe where it was hit, but like that back door was close?
Yeah.
It's just like that.
I'm trying to make sure it's stuck the quarter now. I'm trying to make sure it didn't like push it up.
Oh. I didn't see no buckle up there. That's why I had looked at it first. Like down, up? Yeah, I ain't took it off yet. One on Marketplace, 50 bucks. You know what time it is, y'all, cause gotta get sprayed. Dun dun dun. You gotta get rid of this ugly ass gray and red. I don't know who did it. Probably one of his other partners. But it gotta go. See, he's got little shit. These shit ain't got that much body work, so that's good. And chipping and shit. Oh, the roof? I told you we could wait to do that last. See, that's what I see now on that big ass dent right there. It really wasn't that, I'm telling you, it's really not that much. You know, it's a small shit. I know you got something on the hood too. I seen some on the hood. But, yeah, this nigga here. Yep, he got some new headlights, tail lights and shit. I'm gonna take the hose. So, yeah, and this was next on the chopping block, guys. This was next. Boogie. And yeah, stay tuned, man. Finna go ahead and tear this motherfucker down. Marketplace, 50 bucks. You know what time it is, y'all, cause gotta get sprayed. Dun dun dun. You gotta get rid of this ugly ass gray and red. I don't know who did it. Probably one of his other partners. But it gotta go. See, he's got little shit. These shit ain't got that much body work, so that's good. And chipping and shit. Oh, the roof? I told you we could wait to do that last. See, that's what I see now on that big ass dent right there. It really wasn't that, I'm telling you, it's really not that much. You know, it's a small shit. I know you got something on the hood too. I seen some on the hood. But yeah, this nigga here. Yep, he got some new headlights, tail lights and shit. I'm gonna take the hose. So, yeah, and this was next on the chopping block, guys. This was next. Boogie. And yeah, stay tuned, man. Finna go ahead and tear this motherfucker down. You know what I'm saying? You know we full with the tear downs. You feel me? You feel me? Y'all know at the touch, at the touch, if you ride with the touch, you gotta touch your own shit, you feel me? It's not a game. You can't hit me with, I don't know how, nigga, you know how to put some shit on and clean some shit, scrub some shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you niggas ain't that retarded. Yeah. So, yeah. That look like a regular Trailblazer. But yeah, I don't know what he gonna do about that, but he gonna figure that part out later on his own. That part beyond me. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? So this where we at with it. With his shit. And yeah. You'll see the color on the jams today. It's still early. We got time. I need to figure out what's wrong with my bucket, y'all. It's been acting funny. But I'm gonna change the oil and look at that shit. Change the oil and shit and my brakes. Cause this all reliable, you feel me? And then we go, yeah. This gotta stay A1. The bucket, the daily gotta stay A1. All this extra shit like that and everything else, yeah, that shit, yeah, that's okay. The old reliable gotta stay A1. You having fun?
Yeah.
Look like it. Y'all cut these jabs there, y'all. Out with the old, in with the new. Oh yeah. Going on. Trailblazer SS gang. Hey, Trailblazer SS gang. Gang, y'all talking about, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I do his first, so I know how I want to do mine. Get him out the way. Yeah, I'm gonna do it in black and white, so they ain't even gonna see it. Yeah.
They follow us on Instagram, they gonna see that all the time.
Oh yeah. Oh man, I wish I could show y'all the color, man. Woo-hoo-wee. Hey, that bitch busting. No cap. Oh man. Shit. Yeah, look at that shit. Ooh, shit. That's crazy. Damn. And double back in the roll. Oh man, that shit hard. Damn, y'all. I wish I could show you. I can't show you yet. Yeah. Y'all see how game coming. You know what I'm saying? Hard this summer on me. Yeah, we back to back with this shit. Yeah, so let y'all know. Stay tuned for the Distinctive Touch. Well, you hear me? Don't sleep on us in the boat back and all. Hey, don't sleep on us, gang. You feel me? But hey, I can't wait to show y'all the new color. Y'all obviously see the new car, you know what I'm saying? Added to the lineup. And yeah, like I said, we fucking shit up all summer, bruh. No cap. But yeah, tomorrow a big day. That's gonna be a good video, tribute to my dog. But y'all just gonna have to stay tuned and see what we doing for my G. And yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about the new cop. You know what I'm talking about? Like, I know Pops was on my ass about having all these cars, but fuck it, you know what I'm saying? YOLO, you feel me? And shit, I got it, so can't go back now. Actually, I need to give him my title so I can put it with the rest of my titles. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your boy, you know what I'm saying? Give me your feedback on, you know what I'm saying, new slab. And I'ma catch y'all next video. Peace.
Yeah, green turn to blue, I done switched up my paint. Rose gold the chain, I done switched up my lane. Punch on them hard, I done switched up my bank. Really plugged in, I done got up my rank. Put niggas on, never said thanks. Brought bitches on the boat, they let me sink. Stuck to